All right, let's see if this one works. So we are doing part three of the Khan Academy series on animations and what Pixar does to make a movie work. So we are going to focus on virtual cameras, sets and staging, and then this other one, I'm not sure, I just says link is effects, which is I think is my favorite one to do. So virtual cameras, when you're making a cartoon, you can't really point a camera at a character and record it because they're not real. They're animations. So they had to make virtual cameras inside of a program so they can record what each character does and how the camera moves, things like that. So you have all these videos and some practice activities here. And you also have some practice questions. And again, guys, remember these practice questions are not, you don't have to do them. They're just here in case you want to practice what you know, what you remember, but you can do both these parts. This second part is a little bit more difficult. So, and this is just how these videos here and then questions. You can just watch the videos and then move on. I just want you to be exposed to what these people at Pixar actually do on a daily basis because while making movies can seem fun, it can be rather difficult, and there's a lot of math and science behind it. Then next we have sets and staging. So when you're trying to shoot a real movie, you usually build buildings out of cardboard or foam and paint them or some bricks. But you can't do that in a cartoon. You have to animate them. You have to build them from scratch. You have to draw them. You have to make programs to make them work. So here it says geometric transformations. It shows you how the art department builds a scene. So here you have videos and introductions and one, two, three, four practice ones that you can do. But again, don't worry about the practice questions. If you want to try them, more power to you, but you don't have to. This is just in case you want to test your knowledge. And this one's a little bit shorter. And this one says, this list will push you to derive the rotation forms we used in lesson one. So roll up your sleeves. This list takes 35 to 40 minutes to complete. So obviously you don't know how to derive rotation formulas. So if you just want to watch it to see if you can figure it out, you're more than welcome to. I just want you to mainly watch the videos. You get more energy points if you get these questions right, but I'm not too worried about that right now. Okay. And next is my favorite part is the effects overview. Now I tried to record the preview video here earlier, but it did not work for some reason, so I'm not going to do it now. So I'll just let you do it so you can earn the energy points. But this does have my favorite simulations or favorite activities. The water simulation, the smooth particle hydrodynamics, and the fireworks simulator, they're a lot of fun to do. And the genesis effect, I mean, it's all really fun to do. And you can do these questions if you want to, that's your choice. But this is my favorite section of this whole thing. I know a lot of y'all really like the animation one where you got to make the ball bounce and do all that. But this one's my favorite. It may not be yours, but I do expect a lot of y'all to play a lot with this one. So if y'all want to do this first, hey, you're more than welcome to. Just have fun with it. It shows you how to make water, fire, and smoke effects in the computer program. So it's pretty cool and fun to use. And just take your time with this stuff, guys, because we're gonna be doing this for. See, this is part three, so there's part four and five, and then we'll move on to the hands-on activities. Hopefully, some virtual learners will be back in class by then, so we can do that. But that's it for this lesson, guys. Just take your time with it, have some fun, and learn about more what people at Pixar do. Have a good day.